Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm going to show you how to use the Storyboards function in Workspace. Storyboards are made up of templates designed to display groups of images on your blog or for you to share, just like images in albums. To create a storyboard, you'll need to go to Website and go down to Storyboards. And if you haven't created one, you can either click here or click the New Storyboard button on the right hand side. Once you've done that, you'll need to give your storyboard a title. Choose the event you would like to select the images for the storyboard from, and then select a collection. Click Continue, and once you're on this page, you can begin to create your storyboard. On the left hand side, you can see all of the images from the event that you selected. To select a template, go to the Templates tab, and with the drop-down list, select the number of images per layout you would like to use. I'm going to select 5. Here you can select from all the templates that allow you to add 5 images. Click a template and drag it over into the grey section, and that template will load. If we go back to our images, select the image you'd like to use in your template and drag it into the section you'd like it to appear in. Once it's there, you can click and drag to arrange the image. Click and drag each image you'd like to appear in your storyboard. Some images may work better than others in certain templates. Try a few different templates to see which one works for you. You can swap images by clicking this button here and dragging the image onto the image you'd like to swap it with. If you'd like to delete an image, you can click the trash can in the corner of the image and either choose to delete an image or delete the entire section. You can drag and drop images over top of other images in the template to replace them as well. Try different images to see how they work with the template you've chosen. Once you're happy with how your storyboard looks, you could choose to add another section below it and then fill that template with images as well. Click the Settings button above the storyboard on the right, and here you can change the title of your storyboard, change the width of your storyboard to suit the blog style. If you've chosen to upload a watermark, this will appear under your Watermark tab on the left, and you can choose the width of the watermark you would like to appear on your storyboard. You can increase or decrease the gap between the images, and also the gap between the sections. You can change the background color or leave it white. Once you've selected your settings, you can click Download and choose to download individual sections or the entire storyboard as a single image by clicking the download arrows here. You can choose to blog with your storyboard. You can enter a title, some introductory text, some sign-off text, select the author. You can link this post to an event, choose a category, and add some tags. And once you click Publish, this will appear on your blog. You can also choose to share this storyboard on your social media accounts. The first pop-up will ask you if you'd like to share an event link along with your storyboard. If you select Yes, you can select the event and collection you'd like to share. Once on this page, you can choose to type in a message to go with your storyboard. You could choose to share this link immediately or select a date and time for the future to schedule this post, and select the services you'd like to share on. Once you've filled this out, you can select Share Link, and this will appear on all the accounts that you've selected below. You can choose to share by email by adding the recipient email address and a message. You can also choose to share by Pinterest. If you have not added your Pinterest details to your account, a pop-up will ask you for your login details and permission to post on your behalf. Once you've shared your storyboard will appear in the Storyboard section with the title, date created, and you can choose to edit or delete this storyboard. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.